Okay guys, round 2 on my pizza. Done a little different this time. I'm doing a veggie pizza. Got myself a new little paddle off of Amazon. It actually folds up. I'll show you later. There's my pizza, homemade dough. Got some bell peppers, white onion, some mushrooms, some black olives, and cheese. I got some classic marinara sauce. I'll put that on there too. Now here's my Green Mountain smoker. Now what I've done is I've had it set at 500 degrees. I got a pizza stone in there real quick. See, let me show you real quick. Got a pizza stone in there. Nice. It's 15 by 12, I believe, or inch. And people have been talking to me. You know, I had one guy send me a message on other videos. Says, "Hey, why don't you get one of those little Green Mountain pizza ovens? The Green Mountain Davy Crockett." I looked at them. You're going to do an 8-inch pizza. 8-inch pizza. This is a 12-inch pizza. So here we go. I'm one-handing it today, so I'm gonna go over here and open the lid up. Now, people are saying you got parchment paper. I'll tell you a little secret. What I did is I have cornmeal on the parchment paper underneath the. There we go. So for the first 4 minutes. I'll go ahead and let that cook, and then as soon as I get it gets to cook, I'll hold the pizza in place, and I'll pull the parchment paper out, and then I'll cook it for another 12 minutes or until it gets nice and brown. So that's the way to do it. So you ain't gotta worry about the parchment paper is only good for like what, 450 degrees. So I ain't gotta worry about that. And so cornmeal will keep your parchment paper from sticking to your pizza. Now look at this thing. Nice, right? It actually unscrews and folds up. I'll take a picture and show you that in a minute. So here we are, guys. Hopefully we'll have good pizza in 12 or 15 minutes. You know, Green Mountain Smoker Davy Crockett. I love this thing. I'll get back to y'all in a little bit. Okay guys, now I'm back. What I'm doing right now, look at that, might have been like 4 minutes. Hold the finger here and pull the parchment up real quick. And there you go. Cornmeal, set that up nice. Look at that, it's been 4 minutes and already got a nice little brown on it. Spin it around a little bit. A few more minutes, I'll spin it around. All right guys, been around 15 minutes. Let me see if I can do this one-handed. Here we go. Lift up the lid here on my Davy Crockett. Look at that pizza. Check the bottom. Oh yeah, look at that crust, guys. Is that nice one? All right, we're done. 15 minutes. Shut it down, give me a second. There it is, guys. What do you think? Sorry about that loud noise. I dropped my smoker lid down. We're done. All right, let me go inside and eat this. Yes, here we go. Look at that pizza. It's a little veggie pizza. I know, it is what it is. But look at the crust one more time. This is what you do is you preheat that stone at 500 degrees for an hour. Look at that nice crust. So, okay, I'll put the ingredients, what I did on it, and instruction of all the stuff I did, and hope you all like this video. Y'all stay safe out there. God bless America, and God bless everyone out there, guys. Enjoy life, and just live it as best as you can. All right, man. Laters. Thank you all for watching.